Probate can be a complex and daunting journey, especially if you've lost a loved one, are going through the grieving process, and are now faced with responsibility for administering their estate. Keep watching, and in just a few short minutes, I will demystify the probate filing process, giving you confidence to move forward and increasing the value of the estate's assets for distribution to heirs and beneficiaries. Now, of course, probate is the legal process whereby the court oversees the distributions of a deceased person's, we call it a decedent, of the decedent's assets after ensuring that all creditors and debts have been paid. The petition for administration essentially asks the court to recognize the death and appoint the personal representative for the estate. The personal representative's role being managing those assets, administering the estate during the probate process according to Florida law. In preparing to file the petition for administration, it's important that you consider exactly who is petitioning to be the personal representative, and to ensure that they are qualified according to Florida law to hold that position. Now, the personal representative may have been explicitly named in the will or not, and is usually close kin, a close relative of the decedent. Various documents will be filed alongside the petition, such items as the death certificate, the will, if there is a will, specifics as to the names and contact information for potential heirs and beneficiaries, and also the nature of the assets in the estate and their values. Now, inaccuracies can lead to delays and a prolonging of the probate process, and time is money, so quicker is better. It is very important to be accurate with your filing. Now, once you've gathered all the documentation, checked it and double-checked it, made sure the details are correct, now the petition is actually filed with the probate court in the county where the decedent resided. Now, there are filing fees, and filing fees vary by county, so check with the county where you'll be filing. After the petition is filed, the court is going to review all of the documents. This could take several weeks. They may come back and ask for additional documents. They may ask for clarification. The overall length of time that it takes for the court to review the petition depends on the complexity of that particular estate and also the workload at that time of the probate court. Of course, if the court requires additional documentation, they'll notify the petitioner, and it's very, very important that you act quickly in response to any court requests. Once the court is satisfied with the petition, they will issue what are called letters of administration, sometimes called letters testamentary, and this is the legal document that the personal representative has that gives them authority over the estate. And this document is going to be needed to open bank accounts for the estate. You'll need to present these papers when dealing with financial institutions of the decedent and things of that nature. Some common pitfalls to avoid when filing the petition for administration in Florida. As I've already emphasized, incomplete, inaccurate documentation is very common. It can delay the process. It could aggravate the court, which you don't want to do. So check, double check. Details are important. Names should be spelled right. Street addresses should be spelled right. Valuations should be as accurate as possible. When it comes to details, courts are very nitpicky, as they should be. This is serious business. So do your best to be accurate and precise in everything you file. And another common mistake is procrastination. The court asks for something and you don't jump on it. Time is of the essence. There are often deadlines attached to court requests, so procrastination cannot happen. You must be Johnny on the spot and reply accurately to all court requests. You do that, provide good information, and respond quickly, you're going to have a smooth probate process, and that petition for administration is going to be approved quickly. For a free report download outlining the 12 most common mistakes made by personal representatives, visit our website at www.floridaprobateMadeSimple.com, floridaprobateMadeSimple.com. Of course, subscribe to our channel. We publish new content geared towards personal representatives, heirs, and beneficiaries. And of course, watch our next video.